Good morning, everyone. Carol here from aquahaven747.com. Just thought I'd give you a quick little tour of my Airbnb guest suite number 2. There's a little patio area behind me where they can sit. And I'm still working on a barbecue for them. But anyway, I'll turn the camera around and we'll get started. So this is the entrance, and got a few steps down, and come here, got a little print there that was from a local artist in Salt Spring Island, BC. This painting here was done by a friend of my mom's, and that's in Hull, Yorkshire. And this thing here is the statue of Wilberforce, who was one of the guys responsible for abolishing slavery. I believe he died around 1830 something. Don't quote me on that. But here we are in the mudroom. I've got my recycling bins here, ironing board, iron, a little extra umbrella, duster. They are so inclined to use that. Of course, a boot tray to put their shoes and things. Desk area over here. This is my guidebook. So a view of my shop back there and all my dandelions, which I have yet to cut down. But anyway, and there's also a clothesline back there that they can also use. I've got my air conditioner out. We haven't had to use it yet, but it's ready for the summer season here. And in this little closet, I've got an extra fan and broom, dustpan and brush, a little mop thing, and it also has a vacuum cleaner, so any spills or anything they can clean up right away. And vacuum cleaner is great too for the longer staying guests. So here in the living room, I've just updated it a little bit by bringing my leather chair and ottoman down here. I think the decor a little bit better than the old recliner that I used to have here. The sofa has a pull-out bed in it, and it has a feather bed on it, because we all know that pull-out beds are never really comfortable. So it just makes it a little bit more comfortable. I've got some books and magazines on the bookshelves there, and it's a 55-inch smart TV. So I've got Netflix and YouTube, and if someone has their own accounts for Prime or whatever, they can sign into that as well. And in the drawers, we've got a few games and puzzles, and Scrabbles, always a big one. An extra throw for curling up on the couch or the chair. A few more games in there. And a roll-up mat, some kids' books, more puzzles, and an empty drawer. So anyway, that is the living room. You may have already seen my my tour of the kitchen when I did the makeover there. So I'll link that below so you can see more in depth. But anyway, this is obviously eating area here. And here are some pictures by a local artist that is unfortunately no longer with us, William Meneg. And I'll put a link below if you are interested in any of his artwork. They also have mugs and calendars and all kinds of stuff that you can get with his artwork on it. I'll show you a little bit closer here. This is my favorite one. Try not to get the reflection of the lights in, but this is this is called Tranquility. It's my favorite. And I'm not sure what these other ones are called. They all have names, of course. So you can go to the website I will link below, and if you're interested in any of that. That's still a big support for my friend who's his widow. Okay, going into the bedroom here, I have the same platform bed and memory foam mattress that I have in guest suite number 1. I've already got a previous video where I showed you the makeover when I painted last year and changed up the decor a little bit. The closet is cedar lined, and we have shelves on this side, and some extra blankets and pillows in there, and we have the hanging rod over here and a full-length mirror. Some people do not like to have that out in the bedroom. Bad feng shui, you know. So anyway, that is it for the bedroom. And I guess we can go into the bathroom next. Okay, going into the bathroom here, there's a cedar door, a little linen closet here, a few extra towels for guests. I've got the full bathtub here and shower, which is great for kids. Plus I have the walk-in shower right over here. So I've already got a video from last year when I updated it a little bit. I had to replace some broken tiles here. I replaced the countertop, the mirror. It used to have a really noisy fan in here, and I didn't get a new fan because then I would have had to rip out the ceiling and put all new venting and stuff in. But they were able to find the part to replace it, so it's nice and quiet now. So yeah, I painted the tiles here last year. This little cabinet thing is new as well, and otherwise, yeah, that's about it. Thanks for joining me for this tour of my Airbnb guest suite number 2. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love to see you here if you want to. And I'll see you in the next one.